everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you don't know me, my name is Divya and I make videos on skincare. Today for this video, I have rounded up the best gadgets that are available in the market and that actually works and keep you coming for more. So if you are searching for a home beauty device to step up your usual skincare routine, then here are the best facial devices that worth your money. The first device that I have is from braun. It's their silk epilator, and you know what, it's rechargeable, cordless and waterproof. This particular device comes with multiple heads, and epilating, guys, I won't lie that it's not easy, but once you have done with it, like, it's worth every penny. Epilator head, and I know that it looks scary, but once you used to it, you will not feel that much of pain because the rollers that are given at the sideways will act as a massager. I've also used the Philips epilator, and after that I've switched to the braun epilator. And if you want me to make a comparison video for both of these epilators, let me know in the comment section below. Earlier I was a little skeptical about this product. I feel like it plugs out all the hair and must be painful, but it's not. Trust me, it's not. Like it I know it's a little bit painful in initial, like for 2 or 3 seconds, and then your skin gets numb and you feel nothing. So overall it's a nice product, and the best part is that you can use it in water. Next tool is this Agaro electric toothbrush. It comes with 1-year warranty and it's rechargeable in water. So it comes with 5 different modes and 4 replaceable heads like this, and 1 interdental brush. It has a inbuilt timer of 2 minutes. Since I have never used an electric brush before, so I was little nervous, but however, after using it for the first time, I feel it's really worth the hype, and I highly recommend it to all, like for those who really want a clear, a whiter teeth. Next up I have is this braun facial hair remover. This particular device cuts the hair to the skin level, leaving the face consistent, smooth and free of peach fuzz. I have put an Instagram story and every other person was asking me, is this device really works? So I hope I have given all the answers to your questions, and if you haven't followed me on Instagram, so please follow me there for the update. Let's move to the next tool. Next is this hair dryer. This one looks like Dyson. I think it's a copy of Dyson. I haven't used Dyson yet, but I don't know how it works, but this one works great. It comes with a cool shot button with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings. So I really love this product. You can remove this nozzle and you can work with the dryer itself. Like any other hair dryer, this hair dryer comes with a auto shut off function that offers protection from overheating. And I have a suggestion for you. You can complement this hair dryer with this ceramic hair brush to style your hair the way you want. The best thing about this hair dryer is that it's foldable, which makes it travel friendly. Next up is this beautiful rose quartz rollers. So these rollers come in various stones, but the 2 most famous stones are the jade roller and the rose quartz one. This is rose quartz. I like to use rose quartz for my skincare. These stones are known for their healing powers, and the rose quartz one has been used for centuries in the skincare regimen to minimize the pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and reviving the skin glow. I have already done a detailed review of rose quartz roller in my previous video, so I'll link that video in the I button. Make sure that you watch that video before buying any rose quartz roller, because I've differentiated between the fake and the real rollers in that particular video. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, you find it useful, and thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.